Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5085516 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to open Windows settings, then go to Windows Update, and then over here you can see pause update option. Hit pause over here. Once it is paused, resume updates, and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, and then make a right click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now you can go back. If you see retry option over here, you can hit retry and then try to install the update once again. Still not working, you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100%, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5085516 over here, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your version. In my case, its version is 25H2. So check your version and then check your system type. Open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and over here check the system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me the right update is Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. For me this is the right one. Click on download, and over here click on KB5085516, click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Now the last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. So run this exe file and then click on accept over here. Click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, and then click on accept. And over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, restart the computer, log into the computer, and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully, and you should not receive these error codes anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.